tahimik ka lang, ginagawa mo lang yung trabaho mo. Pero, bakit parang ikaw na ngayon yung napag-iinitan? Kwento dito, tingin doon, at hindi mo alam kung saan nanggagaling. At ang tanong mo, sandali, bakit ako? Ano ba yung dapat kong gawin kung ako na yung pinagchichismisan? So, I'm a psychologist at pag-usapan natin to. When you become the subject of gossip, it's often less about you and more about their need to control what they don't understand. Okay, so easier said than done to. Pero may tinatawag na projection. Ito yung kapag someone reflect their own insecurity or dissatisfaction sa buhay nila papunta sa kabilang tao. And often, yung mga quiet ones, yung mga focused ones, yung mga nag-excel, yung different, sila yung napipintasan, okay? Kasi sila rin yung hindi madaling i-define or diktahan. But your silence doesn't mean you're weak, no? It means you're choosing dignity over drama. So, ang tanong mo, bakit kaya ako yung tinatarget ng chismis? Number one, possible na hindi ka nag-fit sa usual dynamics nila, so you become a topic. Pangalawa, meron kang boundaries and people are not comfortable with the limits, kaya they push back. Pangatlo, nagsa-stand out ka and not everyone knows how to handle that gracefully. So how will you respond without losing yourself? Number one, clarify your truth but don't chase their version. You could say, alam ko kung sino ko, hindi ko kailangan patunayan sa mga taong ayaw makinig. Pangalawa, document what matters, especially if gossip turns into harm. So protect your space, no? With quiet strength and clear records. Kasi mahirap na, di ba? Pag mga lalo pag workplace siya. Pangatlo, redirect your energy doon sa values mo and not your defense. Yung growth mo is the loudest rebuttal, no? And pang-apat, affirm. I'm not here to be understood by everyone. I'm here to live with integrity even when it's quiet. And I'll end with this. You could reflect wherein you could say, hindi ako tahimik kasi guilty ako. Tahimik ako kasi pinipili kong hindi pababain yung sarili ko para lang makasigaw, no, sa ingay nila. And if you're the target of gossip at work, remember, you don't have to fix every version of your name na minimisuse nila, iniiba nila, no? You are not in control of their mouths, but you are in control of your energy, your work ethics, yung trabaho mo mismo, and your work. Alam ko, easier said than that kasi nakaka-apekto naman talaga yung mga chismis pag narinig mo. But try to walk steady, stay kind, let your silence speak power